mahal na Pangulo na ang impeachment ay hindi importante. Sabi niya, this does not make any difference to any single Filipino life. So why waste time on it? And despite the admonition of the President, the House, through one-third vote, transmitted the articles of impeachment to the Senate. Why didn't we heed the call of the President? Why did the HRR defy the President's pronouncement? Gusto ko lang pong malaman kung bakit ganon. Parang hindi natin sinusunod ang mga pahayag ng ating Pangulo.
Before the Honorable Mark, please proceed.
Opo. At nung July 25, the Supreme Court, sabi nga nila, inilang dineklara ng articles of impeachment ay unconstitutional at void ab initio. At pagkatapos nun ay nakarinig tayo ng mga pahayag mula sa House members na tila baga tinatakot ang ating mga maestrado na pwede kayong ma-impeach din tulad ng Vice President. And despite the motion for reconsideration submitted, the Supreme Court, through a press briefer, reiterated that the decision is immediately executory, notwithstanding the MR.